Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning grain report. Markets finished up higher yesterday after the WASDE report came out. The WASDE report was actually a little bearish for corn and soybeans, somewhat bullish for wheat, but the main story is weather right now, so the market quickly brushed it aside. Kind of a Yana report anyways, not a whole lot of change. So the market quickly brushed it aside, started trading weather again, and we all finished higher. We've been mixed so far this morning. Some key notes on what could move the market today. China bought, I believe it was 960,000 metric tons of corn for 2012 or 2013, 2014 delivery this morning. That's the 8th largest purchase on record. Definitely something that could move the corn market this morning. Another thing that we've been keeping our eye on lately, a colleague of mine and I, Craig Turner, recently presented a presentation on the soybean market and some potential demand destruction that's going on. The USDA still has China pegged at 69 million metric tons for imports this year. We think that's at least 3 million metric tons too high, which would equate to over 100 million bushels of demand that's not there for China. We've seen as high as 5 to 6 million that people believe is overstated. So that's something to keep your eye on moving forward. As of right now, we got crop progress on Monday. A lot of people are thinking that we could see up to 70%, good to excellent for both corn and soybeans. That's something to keep your eye on and could move the market after Monday's close. It's really kind of a light news day other than that huge sale announced for corn. So we've got last trading day today. July soybeans are down around 25 cents right now on 40 contracts traded with around a 24-cent bid ask. So you really want to be careful if you're holding things into last trading day, because that's the type of thing that can happen. So we could see a little activity there. There hadn't been any deliveries in corn or soybeans. That's why we're likely to see some volatility like this. That's really all we have for today. So other than the huge sale for corn, we don't have a lot of news. If you want to log on to Grain Analyst or go to danielsagservices.com, go to education and then webinars, and you can take a look at that webinar that Craig or I did. And there's a lot of information there on what we think is going to happen with the soybean market this year. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a ring. Otherwise, have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.